Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to make lumpia or egg rolls recipe. This is one of Filipinos' classic favorite appetizer, right? Alright, so let's get started. For the ingredients, you will need ground beef, lumpia wrapper, carrots, red potatoes, spring onions, red onions, garlic. This is soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar, salt and ground black pepper, canola oil, an egg. Those are the ingredients. Now, let's start. So first off is you're going to get a pan. Just place in your meat. I'm using ground beef. You're going to cook and brown that for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium-low heat. By the way, all the exact measurements are in the description box down below. So you're going to make sure to break the meat into small pieces just like so. And once done, you're going to strain the liquid and set it aside. In another pan, you're going to heat up some canola oil. You're going to saute red onions until it is translucent. Add in your garlic. Make sure to cook and brown the garlic or until it is fragrant. Add the meat back in. You're going to give it a good mix. Season it with salt and pepper. Add in the sauce mixture. You're going to mix that all together, just like so. Next, go ahead and add in small diced carrots and potatoes. Give it a good mix. You're going to cover that for about 3 minutes. Then you're just going to continue mixing. Lastly, you're going to add in the chopped spring onions. And at this time, you can adjust the taste, then transfer it to a dish or in a bowl and let it cool off for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now, let's start wrapping our lumpia. Place in your lumpia wrapper on a flat surface. Add or place about a heaping tablespoon of the filling on the edge of the wrapper, just like so. Fold the meat with the wrapper and tack in the ends. Just roll it up and use the egg wash to secure the lumpia. So the egg wash obviously serves as kind of like a glue, or it is a glue to secure or seal the lumpia. Then make sure that you are going to tightly secure it, okay? Then you're going to repeat it until you are done. And after doing so, we're going to start frying the lumpia. So in another pan, you're going to add in about half a cup to 3/4 cup of canola oil. Once it's hot and ready, we're going to start frying the lumpia for about 3 minutes on each side or until it is brown. Then you're just going to transfer that on a plate with a paper towel to drain the excess oil. And that's about it. You're done. Let it cool off and it's ready to serve. Alright, thank you so much for watching.